Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that we would do a what's on my vanity. Fellow YouTuber Nona, My So-Called Life. Link her channel in the description box, you guys, for you to check her out. She's awesome, she's amazing. Go show her some love and support. I just thought this was such a fun idea to do a what's on my vanity. Please keep in mind that we will be doing a updated makeup collection as well soon. Exactly what is on top of my table. I left everything the same. I didn't move anything. I grabbed my camera and I thought we would film this. So let's get started. First off, on the table I have a makeup rag is what I call it, and it's to brush brushes off or wipe my hands on, whatever makeup related. I have some new makeup that I bought from Believe Beauty, stamping plates, nail foils, AOA Studio setting spray, the Wet n Wild lip mask. There's AOA Studio buttercream eyeshadow. These are primers and serums, eyeliners, and more primers in this little area. There's some new eyeliners that I haven't used, extra lip oils, setting sprays is all of this. I have a little Carmex there. I have my face brushes in this container here. This is just like a pencil holder from like Walmart. This says just lash out and it's from Five Below. It holds all my eye brushes. I have my kabuki here, brush cleaner, and a shadow switching sponge. I have my little sponge holder with my mochi sponge, a little mini sponge, a really old coin. I have this sign from Dollar Tree. It says love, mirror. Over here, these containers are from the Dollar General, but I have eyeliners, and these are like secondary eyeshadow pencils, secondary bases. Those are eyeshadow pencils. I have some earrings hanging off of there that I wear frequently. More jewelry, earrings, little pineapple dish that I found at the Dollar Tree. Ring that I like to wear. Some face mist, Q-tips. Here's dirty makeup brushes. A whole bin full of Project Pan stuff and eyelashes that I'm currently using. My huge elf brush, a random bar of soap, hand sanitizer, some nail stickers I'm going to use. I have this light I found at the Dollar Tree. Also over here, randomly, I have this. Connor made me this at Valentine's Day at church. A random headband, shiny erasers. I keep my hard candy palettes there in this container right here. I found that at Dollar General. And other random palettes, but mainly Profusion and hard candy. This file holder here, Dollar Tree. I have a fan in there, and I have my Morphe palettes and Naked palette, and there's some other random palettes in there. And over top on this little storage container, I have perfumes. Oh, I also have eye drops, witch hazel, and glycerin. And I have my Bundle Monster silicone lotus mat. And if you don't have silicone mat and you love nail art, you definitely should get one. I practice nail art here. And basically, that is what is on my vanity. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe gave you some storage ideas. And like I said, in the near future, we will have an updated makeup collection as well. My vanity. Also, the vanity looks like this. It's a little bit beaten up, but I did get it at a garage sale years ago for $10. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as other information. And thanks again for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed, stay humble, be grateful, you guys. And thank you so much for watching.